Hello, I've got in front of me this hobby Vantana de Luxe campervan. Costs 77,000 euros, so it's quite a lot for a campervan. And right, what can I tell you about it? Other than that, 636 centimeters in length. I'm trying to find the weight to give you, and it's 2,900. There you go, 600 kilos of payload. So I suppose it's pretty normal for a camper van. There are some details though. What might particularly be of interest is this really large bed at the back, so you can sleep lengthwise. If you're particularly tall, it's 2 meters, 205 I think, in length, at least on this side it is. As you can see, the mattresses are contoured around the bathroom, so if one of the two of you is shorter, then that's a space. Comes with storage all around, as you'd expect, and also with a rather daft ledge, which is unnecessarily taking headroom. If you unnecessarily take headroom, why not take it with a proper locker and give yourself more space for storage. In here we have got this rather nice looking toilet and washroom with another pointless exercise up here in space wasting, and places down here to hold your shampoos and the like. Down here we've got a duck board. I'll lift it up, and oh, it's nice and light. Oh, look at that as well. Plenty of space in the shower tray to put some water, get some plastic ships, and you can sit in there. That can be your bath. As far as a bath's concerned, it's about about 12 centimeters deep. You won't find many much deeper than that. You will find some, but not many. So if you want a deep thing, I'll just leave that to one side for the moment. It comes with this as well, which are these shower curtains, which are awful. They stick to your body and are pretty nasty, in my opinion. Other people might like having them things sticking to your body. Maybe I'm just being a fussy so-and-so. And 2 burners. There's your sink. Down here you've got a wardrobe, and can you see the wardrobe? Well, it is a wardrobe, believe me, it's a wardrobe. 2 steps up to the bed as well, and around the side, drawers under here, looking like that and like that. Proper sides to the walls there. That's a good point. And here, got a large table, which is extendable at that. Nice. And bench seat here. Very attractive light over here. I like that one. This is on a manual gearbox. I know everybody except for me wants a what do you call it, a automatic gearbox these days. And here we have the fridge, side fridge. It'll open so you outside you can get your stuff, your booze out, take it out easily. Also we have, there's a nice big skylight up there as well. So what's a 5-year guarantee on the vehicle. And in the back, lots of storage there. We've got here the gas cupboard, and I'm going to have to stop filming now because of the musical racket outside, which is unfortunate, but it does mean to say that I don't have any problems with people claiming that I'm using copyright music. Anyway, it also comes with this as well. This, what do you call it? This fly screen in the door. Good. There you go. It's a nice, neat vehicle. And thanks very much for watching. I'm at Stuttgart CMT, and I come here every year to make videos. So anyway, I'm going to have to go in a different hole now because of that racket. Thanks very much for watching. All the best from me in Germany.